So, tell me what you guys are doing.
We're doing equations for 50.
Okay, and what do you mean you're doing equations for 50?
Well, you gave us the answer 50 and we had to make equations that match 50.
Okay, and do you all have different equations?
Yes.
Yeah, coming up with different ones?
Yes.
Amy, did you come up with any yet?
You put your paper
Yeah.
on my way.
So, do you want to tell me about yours?
50 equals 5 times 2, which equals 10. Then I multiply 4 times 2 equals 8. So 10 times 8 is 80. Then I subtracted 30, which is 50.
Nice. And Nick, how about you? What did you do?
Wait. Alright. 50 plus 5 equals 55 minus 5 equals 50.
Good. What are you doing here?
We're finding expressions, I think? No, equations that equal 15.
Okay. And where'd the 15 come from?
15 came from right here?
Okay, is that the number I gave you?
Yeah.
And then you're finding all different equations that equal 15. It looks like you have a lot of work here. So does anyone want to tell me about their equations? Okay, David, tell me about yours.
I have one that's 30 times 1 equals 30 minus 15 equals 15.
Very nice. And so you've got 15 equals 15.
Yeah.
Okay, anyone else? So, Lolly, do you want me to tell me about yours? No? 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 Oh my goodness.
I'm too embarrassed.
Shy people. Go, Ricky.
For my first one, 3 times 5 plus 10 minus 15 plus 5. First I multiply 13, so I get 15. Then I add 10, get 25, and then I subtract 15, and then I get 10, and then I add 5, and I get 15.
Wow. You have complicated.
So I just asked one of my friends to pick up a random number, and then another random number, then I multiplied those together, and then that equaled 570. And I subtracted 360, and I divided that by 10.
Wow.
Just adding as many operations as I can, and then I ended up with 21 when I divided it by 10, then I added 14 to make it 35.
Nice. So did you write that one out yet?
Yeah, it's right here.
Okay.
But you have to put it
So
on the paper,
I'm going to
too.
get a closer view of it. Tell me again what you did.
I asked Daniela to come up with a random number. She came up with a 95, and then and 6, and I multiplied those together. That equaled 570. I took another random number, subtracted that from 570, and then it equaled 210. So then I divided that by 10. That equaled 21. Then I added 14 to that, and it equaled 35.
Wow. And all from random numbers.
Well, adding 1 and 2 multiplied by 4 and plus 12, which would equal 3 times 4 plus 12, which then would equal 12 plus 12, which would equal 24.
Very nice. What you're doing?
The answer has to equal 50. 50 is outside. 8 times 5 equals 40, plus 10 equals 50. 50 equals 50. No, 50 equals 40 plus 10. 50 equals 50.
Nice. Okay. Mohammed, tell me about yours.
For mine, I actually did 90 plus 10 would equal 100 minus about 50 would equal 50.
Very nice. Eddie, tell me about yours.
10 plus 0 times 5. So 10 plus 0 equals 10 times 5 equals 50.
Very nice.